தலைவரின் பிறந்த நாளுக்கு ட்விட்டர் வெரிஃபைட் அக்கவுண்ட்களில் இருந்து வாழ்த்தியவர்களுள் 220 பிரபலங்களின் வாழ்த்துக்களை உள்ளடங்கிய தொகுப்பினை ரசிகர்களாகிய உங்களுக்கு வழங்குவதில் என்பிடி மீடியா மகிழ்வடைகின்றது.
Siddharth Srinivas, engineer turned entertainment journalist. Rahul Ishwar, author, philosophy. Praveen Darekar, leader of Opposition Legislative Council of Maharashtra Secretary. Indigo Airlines. Padma Shri Sharat Kamal, Indian professional table tennis player. Nikki Galrani, actress Tamil. Ganesh Kumar Yadav, President Mumbai Pradesh Youth Congress. Archana Kalpadi, creative producer, AGS Entertainment. Ramya Krishnan, actress Tamil. Nivetha Thomas, actress Tamil. BVS Ravi, filmmaker Telugu. Margain Bharadra, member of Parliament Andhra Pradesh. CP Joshi, member of Parliament Lok Sabha Rajasthan. Meher Ramesh, a filmmaker Telugu. Ramcharan Bora, member of Parliament Jaipur. Gumanam Rajashekharan, former governor of Mizoram, Kerala. Rajesh Vaidya, a musician. H. Raja, ex-MLA Karaikadi constituency. Shukshant, actor Telugu. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, Union Minister of Jal Shakti, Government of India, Member of Parliament Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Midesh Bhai Patel, Member of Parliament. Jeba Jeremiah, musician. Hariom Pandey, Member of Parliament. Purnesh Modi, ex-Parliament Secretary, Gujarat Government. Kalyani Pridarshan, actors Tamil. Ratnaveli, Director of Photography. Vinod Kambli, former Indian cricketer. Neelima Kulkarni, film journalist, Anchor, Mumbai. Prasad Lad, member of Legislative Council, Mumbai. Arun Pandey, chairman of Riddhi Group of Companies, Delhi. Isha Reba, actress Tamil. Kuljit Singh Chahal, National Secretary, BJP, Delhi. Bhupendra Singh, Minister of Urban Development and Housing, Government of Madhya Pradesh. Adi, actor Tamil. Anup AJ, National Secretary, BJP Youth Wing. A.C. Shanmugam, founder and president of the New Justice Party. Huma S. Qureshi, actors Hindi. Vignesh Shivan, filmmaker Tamil. Sachin Tendulkar, former Indian cricketer. Shrikant Mekha, actor Telugu. Kona Venkat, the writer. Ragul Silpikunch, playback singer Telugu. Prabhakar Kumar, journalist and senior editor News 18 Bihar. Krishna, actor Tamil. Sudhir Mungantivar, ex-minister of Finance and Planning Forest, Government of Maharashtra. Atulya Ravi, actress Tamil. Anil Ravipudi, film writer and director Telugu. Somu Veeraraju, state president, BJP Andhra Pradesh. Chandan Rai, captain Indian leg cricket team. Pradeep Manjuraju, actor Telugu. Priya Adivarekar, creative director, Diary of a Dance Bee, Mumbai. Nandakumar Singh Chauhan, member of parliament from Khandwa. Ravina SR, actress Tamil. Ramya Subramanian, actress Tamil. Nirvana Chowdhury, former national squash player and honorary council of Sebria, Nepal. Kasturi Shankar, actress Tamil. Nandita Sweta, actress Tamil. Sadish, actor Tamil. Simon Abrams, film critic, New York. Anand Mahendra, chairman Mahendra Groups. Sankeda Kandavel, business journalist, The Hindu. Dr. R.G. Anand, member, National Commission of Protection of Child Rights, Government of India. SpiceJet Airlines. K. Annamalai, Vice President, Tamil Nadu BJP and former IPS officer of Bangalore City. Johinda Tuteja, trade expert and film critic, Mumbai. Ashok Shelvan, actor Tamil. D. Jayakumar, Minister of Fisheries and Personal and Administrative Reforms, Tamil Nadu. Ijaz Deber, Major Raipur Municipal Corporation, Raipur. Lokesh, Chief Executive Officer, The Site Media. Lokesh Kanagaraj, filmmaker Tamil. Russell Arnold, former Sri Lanka cricketer. Boni Kapoor, film producer, Mumbai. Suri, actor Tamil. Selva Perantagike, ex-MLA Tamil Nadu Congress Committee, SC Development. Parvati, actress Tamil. Deepak Dar, Chief Happiness Officer, Mumbai. Harish Kalyan, actor Tamil. Enna Shaga, actor and producer, Kolkata. G.K. Vasan, the President, Tamil Manila Congress, Tamil Nadu. C.P. Radhakrishnan, BJP National Executive Member, in charge, Kerala, BJP. Jyoti Mani, Member of Parliament, Karur, Tamil Nadu. D.D. Neelakandan, television anchor Tamil. Devishri Prasad, music composer. Aishwarya Rajesh, actress Tamil. Krish, actor Tamil. Kushbu Sundar, actress Tamil. Atmika, actress Tamil. Sri Vishnu, actor Telugu. Arjun Das, actor Tamil. T.G. Tyagarajan, founder Satyajodi Films. Manjima Mohan, actress Tamil. Arun Vijay, actor Tamil. Shatrughan Sinha, former Lok Sabha member of parliament from Patna Sahib, Bihar. Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, Union Cabinet Minister of Education, Government of India. Former Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. Amar Prasad Reddy, Chairman, Special Olympics International Football Championship 2019. Kicha Sudeep, actor Bangalore. Ravindra Gautam, independent journalist. Divya Kumari, Member of Parliament from Raj Samman and former MLA. Devineni Avinash, constituency in charge Vijayawada East YSR Congress Party. Prashant Patel Ambrov, practicing advocate at Supreme Court of India. Master Mahendran, actor Tamil. Ruben, editor Tamil. Chandramouli SP, actor Tamil. Nilima Essay, actress Tamil. Edapadi K. Palaniswamy, Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Dayanand Kamble, Deputy Director of Maha Info Center and Directorate General of Information and Public Relations, Maharashtra. Sudarshan Padnayak, International Sand Artist, Odisha. Soham Chakraborty, National Vice President of All India Tribunal Youth Congress. Chantanu, actor Tamil. Dr. Padam Singh, Chief Statistical Advisor, Medanta. Prakash Javadekar, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Information and Broadcasting and Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. C.T. Ravi, BJP National Secretary of Goa, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Chiranjeevi, actor Telugu. Ravi Teja, actor Telugu. A.R. Murugadas, filmmaker Tamil. Mahesh Babu, actor Telugu. Manish Maheshwari, Managing Director, Twitter India. Binon Chowdhury, Chairman Chowdhury Group, Nepal. Press Information Bureau, Tamil Nadu. Surendra Reddy, Film Director. Om Birla, Speaker of 17th Lok Sabha, Parliament of India. Roja Salvamani, actress Tamil. And MLA Nagari Constituency. Dr. Saravan Dasoju, National Spokesperson, Indian National Congress. Sean Roldan, music composer. Rinasha, polo player and the owner of Rinaldi Polo Team. Bobby, filmmaker. Mohan Kumari Lingam, Vice President, Tamil Nadu Congress Committee. A.P. Muruganandam, All India Vice President, Youth Wing. Praful Patel, Member of Parliament, former Minister of Civil Aviation and Industries, Government of India. Dr. C.M. Ramesh, Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha, BJP, Andhra Pradesh. Su Tirunavakarasar, Member of Parliament, Trichy, and ex-President, Tamil Nadu Congress Committee. P. Ravindranath, Member of Parliament, Theni Constituency. Sumit, photographer, New Delhi. Paranjit, filmmaker Tamil. Dhaval Patel, TV media panelist, Suraj, India. Thiru, film director Tamil. Mahad Raghavendra, actor Tamil. Rahavendra Lawrence, actor cum director Tamil. Vijay Dara, chairman, Lokmat Media. Lakshmi Narayanan, high performance analyst. Jessica Anand, actress Tamil. Mohanlal, actor Malayalam. Sudhir Babu, actor. Niveen Pauli, actor and producer Malayalam. Nitin Gadkari, Minister of Road Transport and Highways, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India. Venkatesh Dagupati, actor Telugu. Hansika, actress Tamil. Blaze, independent rapper. Vedant Birla, chairman of the board Birla Technologies Limited. M.K. Stalin, leader of opposition Tamil Nadu. J.S.K. Sadish Kumar, actor cum producer Tamil. Vanadi Srinivasan, national president of BJP Women's Wing. S.G. Surya, spokesperson BJP Tamil Nadu. Vinod P. Salvam, president BJYM Tamil Nadu. S. Rajiv Krishna, advisor government of Andhra Pradesh, secretary and spokesperson YSR Congress Party. Rangraj Pandey, founder and CEO of Chanakya TV. Pon Radhakrishnan, ex-Union Minister of State for Finance and Shipping, Government of India. Harish Kalyan, actor Tamil. Vivek, actor Tamil. Radhika Sharat Kumar, actress Tamil. Saurabh Bharadwaj, MLA Greater Kailash and national spokesperson Aam Aadmi Party. Vikram Prabhu, actor Tamil. Prasanna, actor Tamil. Narendra Modi, the Honorable Prime Minister India. Niranjan Mohandan, Indian paraswimmer, junior world champion. D. Iman, music composer. S.P. Velmani, Tamil Nadu Minister of Municipal Administration and Rural Development and Implementation of Special Program. Sharon, filmmaker Tamil. Venkat Prabhu, filmmaker Tamil. Mano Bala, actor Tamil. Anirudh Ravichandra, music composer Tamil. Arya, actor Tamil. Nazria Nazim, actress Tamil. Premji, actor Tamil. Krishikesh, actor. Mohan Raja, filmmaker Tamil. Nayanthara, actress Tamil. Vamsi Kaka, media and PR consultant, Telugu film industry. Sandosh Narayanan, music composer. Nitin Satya, Tamil actor. Sanjeev, actor Tamil. Sunaina, actress Tamil. Sumit Kadel, film trade analyst. Kalaipulli S. Danu, the producer. M. Sasikumar, actor cum director Tamil. Dr. N.T. Khanna, cardiologist, vascular, Apollo Hospitals, Delhi. Kulmeet Bawa, president and managing director SAP. Rakshmika Madana, actress. Dipanshu Kabra, IPS officer, IG Bilaspur, India. O. Pannir Selvam, deputy chief minister of Tamil Nadu. Anirudh V. Dave, actor Mumbai. Sharmita Ghoshal, assistant editor The New Indian Express. Sweta Mohan, singer. Atmika, actress Tamil. Vedika, actress Tamil. Kalyani Priyadarshan, actress Tamil. Sivaharthigeyan, actor Tamil. Ashna, actress Tamil. Sunil Shetty, actor Hindi. A.R. Rahman, music composer. Aishwarya Menon, actress Tamil. Sunil Soren, Suhail Chantok, TV presenter and commentator, Star Sports India. Akshay Kumar, actor Hindi. Jayam Ravi, actor Tamil. Kritik Roshan, actor Hindi.
Now say already.